Hi guys, wanted to show you our remedy, home remedy that my mom showed us when somebody has hiccups. Eat some sugar. Sammy has hiccups. With some room temperature water. I usually give her like 2 little spoons or 3. And her hiccups will go away, guys. That's our remedy.